In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect multiple social accounts to Canva. If you want to plan and publish content straight from Canva, linking your social platforms is the first step. We'll walk through where to find the settings, how to authorize each platform, and a few key tips so scheduling works smoothly. Start inside your Canva account. From the left sidebar, open Content Planner. This is the calendar view where you'll manage upcoming posts, and it's also where you connect the accounts you'll post to. In the planner, look for a Connect Social Account option. Depending on your view, you might see it at the top of the calendar, or it will appear when you begin scheduling a post. Click it to open the list of supported platforms. You'll see choices like Facebook pages and groups, Instagram business accounts, LinkedIn profiles and pages, Pinterest, X, Twitter, and TikTok. Select the platform you want to link. Canva will prompt you to sign in and grant permission for Canva to create and publish content on your behalf. Follow the on-screen steps until you see confirmation that the connection is complete. If you manage multiple brands, double-check that you've selected the right profile or page before authorizing. For Instagram, note that direct scheduling typically requires an Instagram business account, which is often managed through a connected Facebook page. Personal Instagram accounts usually won't support direct scheduling in Canva. Once your first account is connected, repeat the same process to add additional platforms. Canva supports linking multiple social accounts within the planner, and you can add them one by one. After you've linked them, they'll appear as options whenever you schedule. When authorizing, make sure you allow the necessary permissions. If you limit access, your scheduled posts may fail, or you might be asked to reconnect later. If a connection ever expires, simply revisit the same Connect Social Account area and refresh it. After everything is linked, you can schedule posts right from the Content Planner, or from any design by using Share and then Schedule. Each time you schedule, choose which connected account the post should go to. Keep in mind that Canva typically schedules a post to one platform at a time, so plan to schedule separately for each channel if you want to cross-post. And that's it. With your accounts connected, your Canva designs are just a few clicks away from being published on your social platforms.